Founded in 2002, Dongguan Zhongxing Wood and Craft Company Limited is a professional leading manufacturer in wood and bamboo industry with decades of experience. WeWood is one of Zhongxing's brand. WeWood's headquarters is located in Dongguan City. In the world, we have established 3 factories and 1 R&D center, manufacturing diverse, sustainable wooden products, such as lids, bottles, jars, boxes, and etc. for brands in fragrance, cosmetic, and food industry. In WeWood showroom, all products are displayed neatly and tidily. Here you can know more about our products, receive professional training, and learn the best solution. Our R&D team develop new products of market competitiveness every month, and we accept OEM orders and customize products to meet your business requirements. From raw material to finished products, we focus on every detail that makes great products, and our 8 quality control steps guarantee quality. WeWood's factories cover a total area of 60,000 square meters, including more than 200 machines and 300 workers, with a daily production capacity of 200,000 units. WeWood's factories have successfully passed the factory audits conducted by BSCI, and our products with FSC SGS certifications have won the recognition from all over the world. We have established partnership with global leading brands such as Yankee Candle, Candlelight, Ball, Hallmark, and etc. We hope to make progress and create a win-win future with all our customers. Come on and choose WeWood. You deserve the best.